Okay. So then comes the concept of polymorphism. Polymorphism we understood with a very simple example, like be, like our object or classes are behaving more than as are are possessing behaviors which are more than one. So for an example, we all are acting as a friend also to someone, as a brother also, as a child also. So we are possessing different behavior, right? Different personalities within us. So that is what polymorphism means. So we are also a live example of polymorphism. So we understood with a technical example here. So I used 2 plus 2 to result into 4. So here plus is behaving as an addition operator, and hello and world, here the plus is behaving as an concatenation operator. So the same plus is behaving as a different in different situation. So that is what, so the I mean the definition or the explanation for this is the plus operator demonstrate many forms of behavior. It can perform arithmetic addition when it is used with integers. So when we are using with integers, it's performing addition. When we are using with strings, it's performing concatenation. There is one more concept called operator overloading. So Python does allow operators like plus to be redefined to work with the different data types. So this is also redefining its work, right? Earlier it was doing integer addition, but now it's able to do concatenation between string and string. So that is what it is explained here. So this is the dual behavior of plus operator, is a classic example of both concepts working together. So here polymorphism and operator overloading, both concepts are working together. Okay. Then we understood, I think, yeah, we covered this example. So what we are doing here is we are creating a base class. So this is my simple class name is animal. I have created an instance method, and simply I'm using a self here, and I'm just returning a simple string sound of the animal. Then I'm creating another class, so I'm inheriting the parent class. So this is my parent class, I'm inheriting it. Okay, so class dog is, because it's an animal, right? So I have created a simple function, then I'm returning as a woof. Now I created another class, so cat is also an animal, right? So I'm also inheriting it here. So I'm inheriting animal as an parent class here, and I have created the same function. So if you see speak and speak, all in all the classes I have kept deliberately the name of the function as speak. Okay. Now when I, and I have created another function which is outside of the class. We will see look at this function going forward. So when I create an instance or object of class, so here what I'm doing, I'm creating object of the class dog, dog. And in the next line what I'm doing, I'm creating object of the class cat. Okay. So we have not deliberately created here constructors. So it will create by default, and it will use an internal constructor. Okay, but it will initialize these variables. Okay, so there is no output right now. So but when we try to use dog.speak, so we had a variable, or we had an object which is called as dog. I am invoking dog.speak. So if I invoke dog.speak, which is associated with this, with the dog class, so what will happen? Dog.speak, it will come here. It will come here, and what it will do? It will try to return woof. Okay, dog.speak. Although the function names are same in all the classes, but still dog.speak, what it will do? It will prefer its own implementation. Okay, so let me try to do one thing. Let me try something. Okay, yeah. So now what I have did is I have just manipulated it little bit. So I have commented out this function. Okay, so now the dog does not have a function or an instance method name as speak. Okay, so now what I'm doing here, I'm typing dog dot speak, right? And dog is associated to dog class. So this dog dot speak, what it will do, it will go here, it will look for speak function, but speak function is not there, right? So then what it will do, it will go here, it will see, oh, speak function is here, so we should return this. So if you see the output, sound of the animal, so it is coming from parent class. But what if I already had a function here in my child class? You see, I have just uncommented this. Okay, oh sorry, I have just uncommented this. If I run it now, what will happen? You see, woof. So if I have implementation in my own class, that will be preferred. If I do not have, then parent class properties or parent class instance method will be invoked if the function name is same. So for that, the function name should be same. Okay. Similarly, if I do cat dot speak, okay, now what will I do? So this will be a question for you. So let me see how many of you can answer. Okay, so now if I run, okay, if I run, what will be the output here? Okay, I need your guesses. It could be wrong, that doesn't matter, but I want you to answer. Cat dot speak, what will be the output? Anybody wants to try? Chris, Jay, Luke, Yashlok.
I think it's gonna still be wolf.
Cat dot speak, you think it's a woof? What about others? Jay, Luke, Yashlok?
Sorry, sir, I'm not with the class today. I'm just busy working, but I'm following.
Okay, okay,
Apologize. Yeah.
okay. Luke, any thoughts?
Yeah, I think it's really wolf. Say what?
You think the output will be woof?
Yes, I think so. Well, I think it's gonna return wolf.
Okay, Yashlok, you
Wolf.
wants to say something?
Yeah.
Yashlok, your input.
Wolf.
Sorry,
Wolf.
woof. Okay. Okay. So now see at the output carefully. Okay, now I'm running this. Once you get the output, now you guys have to explain me why that output is coming. Okay, what
Sound
I
of
got?
animal. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so can anybody tell me why I got sound of the animal?
Uh, can you go a little bit up? Up?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
It's
Uh-huh.
because of when you define the class animal,
Uh-huh.
which is like the main class, right?
Uh-huh. Parent
And,
class, yes.
and then
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
then you define speak, so
Uh-huh.
it returns sound of animal, and from there, anything that is following gonna return the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course it's calling from here, but
Yes.
it could have, so okay. So now let me do one thing. Now you
Actually, cat is a object of animal. That's the reason it's a
cat is an object of animal.
animal class, and cat dot speak. So that's the it's a parent animal class method is called function.
Yeah, see, what is happening here is whenever I'm doing cat dot speak, so it will try, it will go here, it will first and see, do I have an implementation? Because see, cat initially belongs to cat class, right? this cat
Yes.
belongs to cat class. So first
Mm.
it will go here. It will try to find whether do I have a function or instance method name speak. No, right?
No.
If not, I will go to animal class here.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, jump to animal. Okay.
Yeah. So now let me see if you guys have understood. Now I'm using the same thing. Now you tell me what will be the output.
Mew.
Okay. So Chris says it's meow. Then anyone else? Uh, Luke, yes, Luke.
Mew.
Okay. Luke, you wants to say? Uh, Provide your input.
Yeah. I don't have any idea. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. So, so when I'm doing cat.speak, so what I told, it will first check in the cat class. So do I have implementation of speak? I have, right? So it will return meow. So let's confirm this. See, I got a meow. So you have to comment whenever you are practicing, right? So you have to comment, uncomment, and check what outputs you are getting. So that will build your understanding. Okay, so now let me comment this and let's, so this function which is outside of the class. Okay, so shall I technically call it as a function or I should I call it as an instance method? Anybody can answer?
So can you repeat that question?
Yeah, so my question is, technically I should call this as a function or I can call it as an instance method.
I think it's a function.
Okay, so what about this? Is it a function or it's an instance method?
That's a function.
Okay, so what is an instance method here then?
Oh, okay, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, speak is a instance method. Animal speak is a function.
Correct. Okay.
Yes, it's
So
the other way around.
yeah, okay. So I think everyone else also got it now. So technically, this is a simple function and these are instance
Mhm.
method. We can
Yes.
call both of them as a function. It's not incorrect. But if we go, I mean, little bit in depth, so these are instance methods and these are functions. So now this is outside my class. So what I'm doing, I am calling this animal underscore speak like I call any usual function. Okay, so then what I'm doing, I'm using the dog class. Oh, sorry, the dog variable, which I have created here, the dog object. So this object I'm passing here. So animal speak dog if I'm passing. So what will happen? So animal one will become dog, right? Animal one will become dog. So now print animal speak function. Now if now here this animal one is behaving like what? It's behaving like dog, right? Because this value is associated, I mean this is passed here, right? So this animal has this dog object. So now if I do animal dot speak, or I can say I do dog dot speak, what will happen? What will be the output if I do dog dot speak? Let's see who can answer. Yeah.
What's the class of dog?
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Oh,
class.
okay.
Go ahead. I'm so animal dot speak is equal to dog dot speak because I'm passing dog in animal. So if I do animal dot speak or if I do dog.speak, what will be the output?
It's
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.